In this tutorial I will try to show you how to add new document binder and how to manage the document binder. At the beginning maybe I'll show you how to add new users and how to extend the existing structure of our organization. You have to go to maintain. Now we can select manage users and you can add new users. I add only one user and I call it user1 as login and password user1 2. Now first name user1, last name user1. You can set other properties of the user, for example email, phone number. Then you can specify the template of work time and other options, but we will not do that now. And we save the user, and as you can see the user is at the last position, and that's all. And now we can assign the user to organization. That means we can create or extend the organization. Here I have a few items here. That's main board department, and then we can add our item. Also we can make maybe project 1. You can set the common folder for your team, or we can make team1. Team1. It's better. Okay, team1, and as you see there is the team1, and now you can add some users to the team1. Also we have got our user1 here. We can add the user and maybe other user human, and that's simple. Okay, we have got 4 users. In the next step we can add the team leader of the team1. And who is the team leader? Okay, maybe I'm the team leader because I'm locked. And we can specify who is the deputy, maybe user1. Okay, that's enough. And why we do that? Because if you make this, you can see here, you can see who is the member of the team1. Also I'm the owner, I'm the how to say, wait a moment, I have to think who am I, who I am. I'm the boss of the team, and user1 is the deputy of the team. Oh, if you want to know who you are, you have to move the mouse on the button here, and the tooltip will show you who you are. Also here is your leader of the team. I developed the application, but sometimes I forget what I've done here. But okay. Okay, and now you can see the structure here. And if you make everything good, you will see the result. And that's very important if you are working in team, because other members, if they will see the tree here, they can check who is the leader, who is the deputy, how you can contact, what's the role of the members, because you can set other properties, for example who is first aid member, and etc. Okay, maybe I go to the binder because that's the main topic of this tutorial, and now I show you how you can create new document binder. In this case, you can call it document binder or team room, however you want. Also, that's your choose. But in this case, I call it document binder 1. Document binder 1. You can share all the documents here with your colleagues in your team, but I will show it at the end of the tutorial because there are many possibilities. Now I show only the simple example. Index, it helps to find the document binder. Now you can select the team name. The default team name is set in user, but you can select other teams. If the user belongs to other teams, you will see all the teams here. I'm using Windows game recorder to record the tutorial, so you will not see the check boxes or combo boxes, or how to say, I don't know, another Windows. I want to apologize you for this case, but maybe if you will try by yourself, you will see it's not difficult. Okay, we can set the email here. Email example com. Does mean if someone is responsible for a document binder, you can set his phone number here and his email. And if you will have some questions, you can always contact the person who is responsible. Okay, maybe we can change the picture, because the default picture is a document, that's document binders here, and we can choose another picture. Yeah, this. Okay, I think I have everything now. Default, the users of the team 1 will be added automatically. You don't have to make something here. And the owner is the team leader. Also, that happens everything automatically. And that's all. Also, you have to save the settings now, and you will see the new document binder here. Maybe we change the color yet. Also, we take the gray color, and you see our new document binder looks so like. We can go inside, and there is nothing. You can hide the information about the document binder pushing this button here, the 3 points. If you want to see, then you can select this button. If you want to follow the document binder, you have to push this button with the eye here. And now, if you add some new documents, you will see that there will appear notifications who created, when was the document updated, who updated the document, and you will get a lot of information. Maybe we hide this now, and I will show you how you can add some pages into the document binder. You can extend the structure of the document binder, and maybe at the beginning we add some pictures. Okay, then we can select some pictures. There are 3 possibilities. You can make it with drag and drop, and then you have to move everything on the blue area here. You can copy with You can copy all files and then you can push the button here, or or you can push this button and you can select some files. I make this in this way now, and I take the fork here. This. I will try to make it fast, and at the end I explain you what does it mean if the document is a main document here. Okay. Now we have got everything, and if I save the documents or the pictures, you will see on the right side the attachments appear. Here appears nothing, because there is no main document. If I specify one of the documents as main document, then you will see that it will be signed with a star. The star appears here, and if I save now, I will see the picture assigned with the star, because it's the main document, the main attachment here. Okay, now I'll explain you what is Lawful. Lawful is an application that consists of many modules. One of this is the digital document binder. You have IT service desk here, password manager application, ticket system application, project management. You can use in this project Scrum or Kanban. You have got chat working in VLAN. That means using internet or without internet, using only the local area network. You have got calendar, email client, work time system, and if you want, you can even add your own plugins if you implement interfaces, and then the library will be dynamically written here. And you will see here another buttons. You can build the same application using only the architecture. Okay, the next slide is information about the time. That means if you want to download this application, it takes only 15 seconds. 15 seconds, almost 1 minute, if you want to copy this to the shared folder. And if you copy the application into the shared folder, your team can run it directly in the share folder and use it. Also, that the fastest way to use the application in team. If you have 20 persons, you copy the application and then they can start it directly. Also, there are described the steps you have to do to use the application. The first step is download from the site. Then you have to unzip the folder, and then you can use it pushing the button Start Lawful. Login and password are human. The difference using the application in Team is that you have to copy the application into the shared folder. That's the one difference. There are other possibilities you can use. In this case, SQLite is used, but you can use MS SQL or MySQL too. But for 20 people, that's okay. And now, if you are looking for more information, it's enough if you try to Google LOF and LOF 111 full, and you will find some information about other topics. Okay, maybe we add another item. You can add sub items here. And maybe I add the PDF document. If I find something here, maybe how to start. Okay, that's okay. We can set the property that it is a main document, and if I save it or if I click the item, if I select the item, I will see it immediately. You see there is a star. This attachment, this document is assigned with a star. Also, that's the main document, and it appears immediately if you select the item here. If I select pictures, that's the main slide with the star. Also, I will see this here. What is interesting, for example, on the right side you have got the last updated documents. You have got last updated documents only from you. You have got the history of a document. You will see here, for example, who created, who updated the document. You can add some tags. That means if you look for so if you are looking for a document in the future, it will be easier for you. Maybe tag 1. And now, if I try to find tag 1, then you will see here pictures. If you select this, pictures appear here. Also, that's interesting. And if you work on this document, you can work pushing the buttons here. You can tell, if you are in team, you can tell your colleagues that you are working on it, locking this document. Also, if you push the button, a lock appears, and if you move on the lock, there will be a tooltip who locked, is locked by who, and the contact of the person, email and phone numbers, for example. Also, you can contact the person and ask if you can work on this document too or not. But this document will be not locked. That means if you don't ask somebody, then you can change everything here. Also, that's not really locked. That's only information with the lock here, with the red lock. If you are finished, you can unlock this document and the lock disappears here. Okay, you can work with versions too. I show you an example here. We can add a new item, Word versions. Okay, and now we have got Word versions. Now we can edit this, and the document versions. What do we need? We need 0, 0, 1. Then we need 0, 1, 1. And that's not the version. That's the version. Okay. And version 1.1. Okay, now we can select the Word documents and we can assign the version to the document. My English, my pronunciation is very bad, but I hope you will understand what I mean with the versions here. And now, that's the version 001. We save this. The reason why does work so long is that in the background I changed the document and in the future it is faster for you, but you have to wait a few seconds. You select a Word document. That's only with your Word documents. PDFs and other documents you can edit really fast. But in this case, if you save the Word document, it's better. Okay, now the next version. And the version 0.1. And the last document. The last document is here. No, that's not it. And that's the main document. And the 1.1.1, also the last document here. And you will see there appear a combo box. Okay, that's the last 1.1.1. And as you see, there are not other attachments. They are not visible because that's on this document has got on different versions, and the versions you can change here. That means the first version 0.01, it was red. The circle was red. Then I come and I've decided I changed the color of the circle and it's orange. And the last version I decided the color of the circle is green, and that's all. Okay, also you can work with versions, and as I told, or as I said, you can lock if you are working on this document. You can lock the document and you can unlock if you are finished. Okay, I think that's the most important things here. There are a lot of other possibilities. That means you can choose different types of documents. Maybe I'll show you one example. We can add a text file. Maybe so, text file, and pictures, music, text file. And now you can make some notifications here. And you can save it. Also, this. Okay, maybe I show you one type yet. It will be SharePoint also. SharePoint. You can change the color of this, and you can add some icons here. Allows comment. You can allow comments you will see what happens, and we can add it choosing folder commander. And so share point. It's similar to total commander. You will see. Okay, we have got a container, and on the right side is everything. On the right side is the container that belongs to the page, to this item, to this page here. On the left side are our documents from desktop. For example, you can select you can choose other paths here, and you can select some other files. And if you select something, then you can copy it. The aim is signed with this icon here. You can choose a direction. It means if you want to copy or move something from this page to your desktop, you can do it, and I can show you what is possible here. Also, you can copy this picture, for example, then you can create new folder. You can create new subfolder. You can create subfolders. You can go back. Also, in folder 1 we have got subfolder. Also, you can build structure here too. You can rename the picture, also your logo 222, and now it's renamed. You can add files if you use this windows here, the left windows, or if you with drag and drop, or if you copy files, you can push the button, and that's the same like Ctrl+V. Okay, that's interesting. There are many of interesting things, maybe calendar. I show you. You can test everything here if you want. Calendar. Okay, now I didn't set the property that it is main document, and it doesn't appear here. Also, we can make it now. It's main document. We can save it, save, and now you see. If I write here anything, if I write here something, the color of the button changes. Okay, there are many of interesting types, but the structure. Also, if you want that the item will be at the beginning or at the end, you have to use this arrow here. If I make it so, if I add something here now, it will be at the beginning. Begin, and the numbers will be adjusted. Do you see what I mean? That's begin, and the item 2 that was first before is now second. If I make it so, it will be at end, in the end. And 7. Oh, okay. Also, there are many possibilities, and there are different types of documents. You can add some executable files. You can add some File Explorer. Maybe I show you File Explorer. That means you can define the path into the maybe this, and now you have got path to the folder, and if you open, then appears a Windows with the files, but you will not see it because I'm recording with the default Windows recorder. But you can try, and you will be happy because everything what you see inside a document binder you can share with your colleagues in your team. And there is another possibility. That means if someone is a member of a document binder, he will see everything here. If you want that he can edit, you can edit him, or he can choose this button and you will get the request. That means if someone is not here or is there but has got not permission to change something, he can push the button and you can decide my requests. Maybe we can make a sample here, but I have to switch the user. Maybe you can take the user one. And now the user one wants to edit. Okay, we go to binders, and he see only this binder because he's assigned only to this binder. And now he's inside, but he cannot edit something. Do you see? There is not the button. He can see, but he can not edit the binder. And now he want to edit something. Okay, he push the button, and he gets the notification that he has to wait. A request, my request, so we see that's his request, and who is responsible here. That human is responsible, and he can contact him, or he can wait until he will be assigned into the binder. Okay, now I can grant him the permissions. Human, and I will get notification that someone wants new permissions. Alarm. Okay, it's human, user one, and I can go, and I see I can decide if there are two or more than one owners of the binder. He can decide together, or one of the person can decide immediately. But in this case, I'm only one owner of the document binder, and I can give him the permission. And now, if I switch to user one, then the user one will get notification that also there are many ways. He can go directly to requests, or he can go here and choose the button, and he will see, okay, I have got permissions now in this binder, and I can delete this if I want, because I don't need this notification anymore. But now what is important, if I select the document binder, now I can edit. So user one can edit, he's inside, and the user one can edit. If I'm owner of document binder, I can do everything. I don't have to be here as editor. Okay, I think that's enough. That's a lot of information. And as I said, if you want to try, you have to where is it? You have to download from the site, then you have to unzip and you can use clicking on Start Lawful, and you have to how to say, you have to put as login and password human. Human, and you can try the application. You can test if this is anything for you. The application is portable, that means you can use it directly from WebStick, for example. You can copy this from shared folder, you can use it, you can make everything you want. You have got the wall control if you want. You can constrain the control, but that's depending on your system. If you work with Active Directory, you can constrain the permissions for the users too. Okay, but I think this application is very interesting because you have got a lot of possibilities, and yeah. Okay, I think I should finish. I wish you a nice day.